In the Glenwood neighborhood, a house fire broke out around noon on Monday. The incident leading to courageous action by a nearby construction crew.
I'm Southwest Iowa neighborhood reporter Katrina Markle in Glenwood. Construction workers are being hailed as heroes. They were driving by this house when they noticed it was on fire. Without thinking, they entered, helped save a family, and even used a trampoline to get a teenage boy out of the top floor window.
John Lewis is the general manager for Like Construction. He was the first person in the door.
What happened? What did you see at first when you were driving?
I stopped there at the stop sign and I looked to my right to look for traffic, and I seen smoke coming out of the front porch window out of a box fan.
Lewis, along with colleagues Gabe Record and Damian Pond, rushed inside. They helped a mother, grandmother, and 4-year-old girl escape. Then they experienced something that seemed like an explosion.
But when it exploded, it blew flames out towards the back of Gabe and burned him on his back and his arm, and got Damien on the side of the face.
Next door, mechanic John Vandervoort came out to help and saw the boy in the second-story window.
And once I saw him, then I knew what was happening, and he was in trouble, big trouble.
The men couldn't reach the boy upstairs.
I looked over and seen a trampoline, so I grabbed the trampoline and pulled it out of the ground and started dragging it to the window.
The young man couldn't see through the smoke, and with flames spreading, Lewis and the others shouted for the boy to jump.
He hit the trampoline and I caught him and got him out over here to the stop sign.
The Like Construction employees were treated for burns and are expected to recover.
They're heroes. I mean, this could have been a totally different outcome if they wouldn't have stepped up and done what they did.
The family is healthy now, but without a home. One family member, Ben McGee, told me he feels really defeated and is worried about finding housing.
Chief Gray says the 3 employees of Like Construction will be honored at a later date. In Glenwood, I'm your Southwest Iowa neighborhood reporter, Katrina Markle.